PHP can both create an image and modify an existing image, such as this lovely green rectangle. This image was created in another video, and I use the browser to save it as a file. It's the target image for the code in this video, greensquare.png, and it's available in the exercise files. This PHP code modifies the green square graphic file, referenced here. This statement assumes the file is in the same directory as the code. The image create from ping function reads the image data and stores it in the image handle here. These functions obtain the image's width and height, storing the values for use later. Because the image already exists, the first and only color created here is used to draw on top the image, not to create a background color. The image rectangle function draws a rectangle, creating a border around the image. Because the upper right corner starts at location 0, 0, 1 is subtracted from the image's width and height to ensure that the white rectangle shows up in the output. The browser loads the PHP file directly. Because the header information is supplied in the code, its output here is an image, the original green square, but now with a thin white border. Yes, that border was a little thin. So this code draws a thicker one. It uses the image set thickness function here to assign a thickness value to the line drawn by the image rectangle function. The code's output shows a thicker white border. The final update to this example doesn't output an image at all, so the header statement is missing. Instead, this PHP code creates and saves an image file. A second parameter is added to the image ping function, which sets a file name for output. The echo statement updates the user that the task is complete. This is the code's only output. Here's the browser's output when the code is run. The image is missing, but I can load it from the address bar. There's the saved file. Here is a lovely sunset image. A file, sunset JPEG, yes, it's a JPEG, provided for you in the exercise files. Your task is to modify this image. Write code that sets a black ellipse on the image file. Read the JPEG. Use the JPEG header, reading and output versions of the ping functions used elsewhere in this video. In the image, set the ellipse over the sun itself. You may need to update the code a few times and refresh the browser to get the location and size just right. That's fine. It's exactly what I did. Here's a peek at my solution's output. You see the ellipse is drawn here. Try this challenge on your own before you peek at my solution.